So I'm Sylvain Newton. I'm the founder of Newton Consulting. I'm based in Munich in Germany, and I'm focusing specifically on the future of work, leadership development, and executive coaching. I am as well on the board of Edstutia, and that's how I came across this amazing solution of using VR or virtual reality in learning. You are able to be on a campus, a real campus, obviously remotely, just using your glasses. And on that campus, you are going to be connected with other learners from across the world. And it's not just a connection like you would be on a Zoom platform where you see each other, but you are really there with your whole body. You can move around, you can bump into people like you do on a real campus. You can hear discussion and come closer to people and network with them. You are in the main plaza where things happen, or you go in a breakout, you go in the amphitheater. So it really brings the experience of the campus in a virtual world, and you are in that campus, interact in that campus, and learn in that campus. There is a saying that goes, when your body moves, your brain grooves, and you want the brain of the participant to groove because that's how they're going to anchor the learning into their mind. And that's what virtual reality does so much better than any Zoom platform can do. You can still use in the learning intervention other platforms. You can still start with a Zoom call. You can still have some rooms where documents are being shared. You can still have a little bit of digital learning. But the time where you go into that campus virtually with the glasses, you can bring all of that together. You can contextualize it, you can debate it, and you do that in an almost real life-like experience. And that's really a big difference. With VR, you are able to bring people together without traveling and really bringing them together, not only a Zoom call. That's a huge improvement in terms of cost. So the more you can use that, where you increase quality, you increase impact, and you decrease cost, for me, that's the recipe to disrupt corporate training.